Let's go guys, it's your boy Raoul TV, Team R4UL back again with another video. This time round what we're doing is I've got a Nissan Juke on a 2016 plate, diesel, 1.5 diesel, and we're going to go ahead and replace the fuel filter. I think I've done this in the past, but if we've done it in the past, we're going to do it again, okay? We're going to do it again, right? Right, this is a pre-recorded, okay? The intro and outro I've recorded after I've done the job, right? Yeah, 2016 Nissan Juke diesel fuel filter replacement. Let's go. The first thing what we're going to do is we're going to take the air filter box off. So basically lift it up here. You'll see it's on a rubber little bungee there. I mean, you can take the battery off, sorry, if you want to, but I'm not going to mess about. There you go. Take that off, and it's just clipped here. One clip there. One clip there. That should just come straight out from there. Let's go. Okay, so we need to take this one off as well. So in order to take that off, obviously we've got a little Jubilee clip on there. We'll just cut that off, little clip there, 10mm there, and another Jubilee clip down here. So we'll take this one off, which is, I thought it was 7mm. You can get a flat screwdriver on that, or you can get a 8mm socket. Right, let's take that off. Okay guys, the fuel filter lives in there. Okay, as you can see, if I move that out of the way, you can just make it out there, but obviously this is in the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. If I pull that way and go in this way, there's a little Jubilee clip there. I'm going to go ahead and take that off, then this pipe totally out of the way, then we can gain access to the fuel filter, no problem whatsoever. Right, let's go. Okay guys, so now that we're at this stage, we'll just move all these plugs and everything out of the way. So press down here and pull, press and pull basically. There we go, that comes off. Move that out of the way. Sorry, my hands are in the way, I'm sorry about that. Right, okay, this cover needs to come off. So this one, I think it's just a little cover that goes on the top. There we go, just lifts up. As you can see there, you have to press it on either side here, and that will lift up as well. Very hard to show you while my hands are in there, but it's a little cover. We just need to ping that off. That will come off. Right, okay, this cover. Let me just take this cover off and I'll get back at you guys. As you can see, a little clip there, so we just ping that one off from there like that, another one on that side, we'll go from there. Okay, the next thing what we will do is dead easy. As you can see there, two pipes that goes on the top. So you can see the little green clips there. We need to press the green, press and lift. So press and lift. If I can do it with one hand, I'll try it. So press and pressing on the green and then lifted. That's one off. Same with this one. This was a white one. Let me see if I can get my hands in there, show you guys as well at the same time. Right, so as you can see there, it's a white clip on this one. So we press it and lift. So press and lift. That one comes off as well. Okay, after that I think it's all plain sailing. As you can see there, that little 10mm, we're going to take that bolt off. We might need to take these two 10mm nuts off as well. I don't think so. I think it's just that one 10mm bolt. Take that off. This fuel filter should come straight off. Right, let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, sit rep, I've undone that one, right, 99%, and I don't know if I should take it off totally, okay, but the situation report is, as you can see here, that's undone. The fuel filter lifts up all the way, okay, and we're stuck. Okay, we're stuck against the bulkhead. So the best thing to do is either take it off all the way and see what happens, or we're going to take that nut off there, and there's another nut just behind the wiring loop there. Take them two off and the whole thing should move down. We should be able to take that fuel filter out, no problem whatsoever. Let's go. Okay guys, sit rep, as you can see here, I had to take this pipe off this little bracket there. So them two nuts are off, that one there, and this one I had to move this wiring loop out of the way, and there is another nut behind this wiring loop to make it out there, just there where my finger is there. Okay, so now as you can see there, this pulls forward. Okay, this pulls forward, and now this should just lift up. Just give us enough room to lift it up this way, like that. I mean, if you want to go ahead and take the whole bracket off, you need to take the bottom one off as well. There's a little 10mm nut underneath there, as you can just make it out there. That one there, I'll just point out in the edit. If you want to take it off totally, you need to take that off, and two more basically. This one, the one I took off there, and another one directly underneath there, that one there, and then the whole bracket will come out. But no need. That, as you can see, the bracket does bend forward a little bit. It's a little bit of persuading. That just comes forward. You have to take this pipe off from this bracket here and there, and this comes forward. Filter is off. Happy days. Okay guys, there we have it. There's the old filter, there's the new filter. That is the part number. It's a UFI filter that I'm using. That's the part number. One minute. I'll show you guys the part number and everything. There we go. It's a 2408001. So 240240801 UFI fuel filter for the Nissan Juke, or the Nissan Juke 65 plate. Right, let's refit the new one. Let's go. Okay guys, what I tend to do is the fuel from there, or if you've got some new diesel, fill this up with diesel. Okay, then that way it'll help you when you come to priming it up. So just basically undo these and fill it up if you got a syringe, and then fill it up with diesel, totally fill it up, and then refit it. Yeah, I think that's the top tip. Right, let's do it. Okay guys, so let's refit the new one. I've just primed it up and everything, put fuel in it and everything. Just that goes in straight like that. Can't really get it wrong. In we go. Okay, that's it. We'll get the two screws on there. Yeah, two nuts on up there. Put all the pipes, everything back on, all the wiring plug. Well, only one wiring plug. Put that one back on, and yeah, that's about it. Hopefully, should start. Obviously, put the air filter box, everything back on. We're good to go. Let's do it. Okay guys, moment of truth. I'm just gonna start it up for the first time. Primed it and everything as best I can. So yeah, fingers crossed it starts up. Clutch down. Well, looks good, it's primed up, started up. I think the electric primer on these anyway, but just in case, I filled it up all the way. And yeah, it took a few turns, but started up. Happy days. Well done. What I did is, I'll show you guys. Right, so as you can see there, I didn't put everything back together, the air filter and everything's still off. Obviously I put the plug back on onto the airflow meter, all the pipes, everything on there. But I didn't put everything on just in case I need to take everything back off, and if there's a leak, or if I need to prime it. Well, there we go, all done and dusted. We'll just put the air filter box back on. That's it, job done. Okay guys, so there we have it, all done and dusted. Air filter box is back on, dead easy. I don't need to show you guys how to put the air filter box back on. If you want to make your life a lot easier, you can go ahead and take the battery off, but obviously I didn't do that. You know, one less thing to take off. But yeah, there we go, done. Well, there we have it guys, all done and dusted. Not the hardest job in the world. You can do it outside your house, no problem whatsoever. Yeah, basic tools. So I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R for UL. We'll see you guys next time.